Hello everyone, welcome to From Classroom to Board Forum. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log in, post event, add feedback to post, and remove a topic in the forum. Right now, I'm on the forum website. Use username and password to log in. Session length choose forever, click Login. After you successfully log in, you will see the navigation area on the top. Put your cursor on Calendar. Here you can post event. Click Post Event. Add subject. Add event title. Click Choose Year, Month, Day. Choose Post In. Type Content. Click Post. Now the event is here. Now I want to give the feedback to students' post. Click Week 1 topic. I see students Sophia's reply is here. Click Modify on your right side, the second icon. Tap your feedback. Click Save. Now the teacher's feedback is below the Sophia's reply. I also found David's reply is not appropriate, so I want to delete it. Click Remove on your right side, the last icon. Click OK. Let's go check. Now the David's reply has been removed. Now you know how to promote students' learning activity by giving feedback to their post. Thank you.